Hola amigos, welcome back to the Spanish Spot. Today we're going to talk about reflexive verbs, those tricky verbs that you use when the action reflects back on the subject. So what exactly is a reflexive verb? It's a verb where the subject and the object are the same person. In other words, the person does the action to themselves. For example, yo me levanto, I get myself up. Tú te duchas, you shower yourself. Él se viste, he gets himself dressed. Notice the little words me, te, se. Those are reflexive pronouns, and they show that the action reflects back on the subject. Let's look at them all together. Subject reflexive pronoun example. Yo me levanto. Tú te despiertas. Él, ella, usted se baña. Nosotros nos vestimos. Vosotros os peináis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes se acuestan. Here's the formula. Reflexive pronoun plus conjugated verb. Let's take levantarse, to get up. Yo me levanto, tú te levantas, él se levanta, nosotros nos levantamos, ellos se levantan. If you remove the pronoun, it's just levantar, to lift. But levantarse means to get up, oneself. Here are some of the most common reflexive verbs you'll see. Despertarse, to wake up. Levantarse, to get up. Ducharse, to shower. Vestirse, to get dressed. Cepillarse, to brush. Acostarse, to go to bed. Llamarse, to be called. Name. Be careful. Some verbs change meaning when they're reflexive. Dormir, to sleep. Dormirse, to fall asleep. Llamar, to call. Llamarse, to be named. So, reflexive verbs can change meaning slightly. Always pay attention to that se. Let's practice together. I'll say the sentence in English. You say it in Spanish. I get up. You brush your teeth. She gets dressed. We go to bed. And that's it. Now you know how to use reflexive verbs like a pro. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Spanish Spot, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next Spanish lesson. Hasta la próxima!